Welcome, welcome. This is week 3 of word building. This is video number 3. This is going to be our last video for this week. It is our last short O word family. So for this video, we are going to be working on the OB ending. It's going to say OB. So all of our words today are going to have that OB ending, that OB word family. So let's go ahead, if you have your worksheet and you have access, to a printer, go ahead, print that out. If you're following along with me, we're going to go ahead and get started with sky rating. Okay, so here we go. For OB, let's take a look at this
C
word here.
O B
So we have k, b, cob. Good. Go ahead and skywrite that one for me. Awesome job. Let's take a look at another one. Let's try this word.
J O B
So you have j, b, job. Good. Go ahead and skywrite. And as you're skywriting, let's take a look at this ending here, right? We have short O, which is our focus for this week, the ah sound. And for this video, right, we have the B added on there for the OB ending. So we have ob here, okay? Make sure when you're writing at home, whether you're on your worksheet or you're writing in the air, make sure your B is going the right way, right? Let's do one more.
S O B
So we have b, sob. Good. Go ahead and write that one down. Skywrite it for me if you're following along. Awesome job. Now I'm going to go ahead. This next word I want you to try on your own. So try the word mob. I'll say it again for you. Mob. Make sure you get all of your sounds. Okay, you've had some time, so let's think here. What do we hear at the beginning of the word mob? That's correct.
M
What's the next sound you hear? Ah, good.
O
And that last sound in mob.
B
Now let's check all of our sounds. B, mob. Good. Go ahead and skywrite that one for me. Awesome job. And let's do one more. I want you to build on your own the word bob. I'll say it again for you. Bob. Think of all of your sounds. All right, let's come back together here to build the word bob. So what's the first sound you hear in bob?
B
What's the next sound you hear?
O
And the last sound?
B
Good, we have b, b, bob. Awesome job. All right, everyone, this is going to be the end of our OB word family, the OB ending. And this is also your last word building video for this week. Feel free, I've posted the short A videos and the short I videos if you want to go back and review. There will be a new vowel sound that we'll be learning next week, so stay tuned.